2020 Akins Ford F150 XLT 302A package, race red beauty here, y'all. It's a two-wheel drive truck, so we wanted to just show a variation to what we like to do with our Covert packages, and let's go over it today. Hope everyone's doing great. And up front we did custom Morimoto headlights, which to me this front end is one of the best in the business. I love the way this one turned out. So basically this is the Morimoto all black headlight. We painted the inner workings race red with some nice black subtleties within, and got that nice signature lighting, and the LED lighting is greatly improved. We did a satin black paint on our grille combo, the upper, lower, and middle two big bars, and then race red on the blue and satin black on the chrome. Looks great. Race red is just one of my favorite colors for many reasons, but just looks so sporty, especially on a truck. And lowering kit wise, we did a Ford Performance lowering kit, a 1.5 inch lower on the front and 2.5 in the rear. So it's not an aggressive drop on it, but definitely one that, you know, helps that void between your top of your tire and fender well. So like the way this one turned out. We're on 22s via Asani ABL 32 wheels. I love this. It's got the gloss black lip with the satin black spokes, so it really fits our grille and emblem combo very nicely. The NT 420 tire is no longer available. The NT 420V is the new replacement. Love this tire so much. 305, 45, 22. Look at that tread pattern. Got a nice singular bar throughout on the inner workings, and you got nice channel grooves to disperse water. Just a great overall street tire, high performance variation from Nitto. Looks clean. Out back, just a nice simple emblem out back to match the front. It's really truly set it off. This has the 2.7 EcoBoost engine, which will surprise you as far as the amount of power it'll put out with the EcoBoost option as well. Look for more lowered trucks from us on the two-wheel drive forefront coming soon for 2021s. Just wanted to show you a 2020 variation on just a classy 22 better wheel and tire combo, lowering kit, little custom paint just to set it off, make sure you stand out. Not too much, that's why it's a Covert. You're gonna make sure you get a second look, but nothing too crazy, y'all. Another Covert variation. It's your source, again, for everything auto. Akins Ford, your top 8 Ford dealership nationally. Wild Willies custom accessories, pumping out truck after truck, y'all. So many things going on for us. Thanks for watching.